Hello, welcome back to Brilliance Academy once again. I am Chauhan sir. Today we are going to discuss some previous year questions from entrance exams. Right? So beta, here the first question is this. The reactant is there and H2O2 reacting on that with heat. So the product will be this is the reactant, and in this a nitrogen atom is there, and this nitrogen atom possesses an lone pair of electron. We know nitrogen has a lone pair of electron on it, and here is the H2O2. In influence of this lone pair of electron, the bond of H2O2 breaks like this. This becomes negative and this becomes positive. Now this lone pair of electron attacks on this positive. Then the species formed will be here attached to OH, and two CH3 groups are there, and because lone pair shared with OH group, that's why nitrogen possesses some positive charge. Oxygen electronegative, this attracts the H in influence of this OH negative ion. This becomes positive, this becomes negative, and this attacks to H positive, and H2 will be released. So the species formed will be CH3 and O negative, and here are two CH3 groups, and nitrogen possesses a positive charge here. Here is hydrogen atom which is nearest to this negative species. So it is going to attack on this. These electrons shared, and this comes this. Nitrogen possesses the positive charge. It attracts the shared pair of electrons toward itself. It becomes positive. These electrons shifting towards here, right? And here is this alkyl group which is there. So the species formed will be CH3 and double bond here plus an OH with two CH3 groups. So these are the products in the given question, right? You have to go through the mechanism. If you are going to solve any kind of question easily, then you must follow the mechanism. In the second question, it is calculate the number of positive charge possess resonating structures excluding the given structure. CH3, CH positive, CH double bond CH, C double bond CH2, and the benzene ring is there. So we have to calculate the positive charge resonating structures in that, excluding this structure. This is given, right? So CH3, it is CH positive, CH double bond CH, C double bond CH2, and the benzene ring is there. This is the species given. Now in this positive charge, sigma bond and double bond, the conjugation is there. So the delocalization of pi electrons takes place. So here these pi electrons attracted toward this side, and the positive charge come on this carbon this side. So the next resonating structure will be CH3, CH, double bond CH, single bond CH, positive charge this time, C, double bond CH2, and the benzene ring is there. The next resonating structure, positive charge, sigma bond, double bond, conjugation, resonance takes place, delocalization of pi electrons. These pi electrons moving to this side and the positive charge shifted to this carbon. So the next resonating structure will be double bond C, single bond CH2 and the positive charge here, and the benzene ring is here. Now the next resonating structure. Now this positive charge is in the conjugation with positive charge sigma bond double bond. The positive charge is conjugation with this carbon, right? And further, if the movement takes place, then this carbon possesses positive charge, which is the same species as second one. Now this positive charge is not in conjugation with benzene ring. Positive charge sigma bond, and then benzene ring, double bond. So this is not the conjugation. This positive charge not comes in the conjugation with the benzene ring. So the delocalization of pi electrons of the benzene ring does not take place. The positive charge doesn't come in the benzene ring, right? So this will again shift to here, and the positive charge come on this carbon, and this species will again form, right? And again this species form. In this species is given. This is given species. This is given species, and these two are new resonating structures. So according to the question, we have to calculate the new resonating structures excluding the given one. So here his answer will be 2 more resonating structures. 2 more resonating structures, and the total 3. One is given, right? Resonating structures. So this is how to solve the second question, right? Now come to the third question. Now the third question is IUPAC naming of the given species. So the given species is, here is the double bond single, and here is double bond oxygen, and here is oxygen, and here is this. This is alkanoate. This is ester group, right? So ester group is this. So this carbon is named as alkyl, and this is named as alkanoate. So the IUPAC name will be alkyl alkanoate, right? This is the 1 and 2. Ethyl group is there. So ethyl, here 1, 2, 3. Prop 1, 2. Ene and O8. So prop 2, ene, O8. Ethyl prop 2, ene, O8. This is the IUPAC name of the given species. Got it? So here is the fourth question. The fourth question is increasing order of bond angle of NO2 positive, NO2, NO2 negative, and NO3 negative. NO2 bond positive, it is NO, NO, and it is positive. So it is a linear structure, and the bond angle is 180 degree. Bond angle is equal to 180 degree, right? Now the second species is NO2. NO2 is N oxygen, and the double bond is delocalized in between the 2 oxygen atoms. This is NO2 structure. So here the bond angle is 134 around, right? And it is actually an oxygen, lone pair of electron plus hybridization is 1, 2 and 1 lone pair. So it is sp2 hybridized with 2 lone pair plus 1 lone pair. So the bond angle is 134, right? Some repulsion is there due to the lone pair. Now the NO2 negative. In this, nitrogen, oxygen, delocalization of pi electron, double bond, delocalization, and here is the negative charge. Because of the negative charge, some more repulsion will be focused on the bond angle and in the molecule, and the bond angle become less. So it become bond angle is equal to 115 degree. Now to the next species is NO3 negative. NO3 negative. It is an oxygen, double bond and a negative charge. So here the bond angle is 120 and the hybridization is 1, 2 and 1, 3. So the sp2 hybridization is there. It is sp2 hybridized, right? So the increasing order of bond angle in the given species are the less is of NO2 minus, the least is of NO2 minus, then NO3 negative, then NO2 and then NO2 positive. So it is, if I am going to write this side, NO2 negative, then NO3 negative, then NO2 and then NO2 positive. So this is the increasing order of bond angle between the given species.